Make him jump again.
Sarah told me that they said that they won't have you play.
I know.
Whoa.
Todd, get that thing over here and make it jump again. They said if they have it next year, it's going to be real different.
Yeah. So, like
Be careful.
Katie, make it jump. I want to see how big it is.
Katie cracked me up.
How about today in class? The creepy
Yeah, that
smile.
was hilarious.
Come on, cat. Get out of there. Don't go. It's a big cat. It's a big cat.
Cats, because they're fun to play with. Otherwise,
I don't like animals.
Is that why you love Bill so much? She's a cat. Trying to strangle the cat?
Shh, don't tell her.
Don't kill my kitty, please. I love your kitty. I'm going to tell Katie to be careful then.
Come on, I'm giving her exercise.
About laying
You saw
down.
that coming, did you?
Sounds like my mom's voice message. It says, "Hi, call me back and I'll leave you a message."
That's your mom.
Jump around. Jump up and get down. Hey, run.
I'm glad Anna knows how to cook on a grill, because I don't.
She's cooking on a grill. That's impressive.